Hello, boys and girls, madams and messieurs. Betchy Trash. We're working on this vintage old bomber. Good old hot rod. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So upon changing, reupholstering the seats, gotta clean the carpet, right? We're not gonna replace it. It's pretty good shape. Found some goodies. Drive-in theater. Tickets, some old matches of marble. But check this out. Hiding under there. It had to come from the factory. Look at it's smashed in there. But there's more. What does it say on it? What does it say? From Elvis and the Colonel. And it's Colonel, like Colonel Sanders. How cool is that? How cool is that? We got an Elvis pen found in the GS. We love Elvis. You ain't another mother hound, no. Crying all the time. Yeah, teddy bear. Oh, yeah. So it was in the GS, a vintage hot rod. We're going to clean that pen up and treasure that thing. Because it's from Elvis and the Colonel, the parasite. All right. Thank you.